Hello friends, good afternoon. This is Swastik here for daily market update. So this is my YouTube page. You can see I have been updating market updates regularly. So do consider subscribing the channel and do share it to your friends. So let's start with the market view for the next week and what has happened in the last Friday. So as we can see, last Friday, I'm so sorry. Yes, last Friday the market has opened up. It almost opened 55 point up, and it opened above the range of 11,327, which one I was expecting actually to break out, to give a breakout and trade. But unfortunately, in the very second hour, it came down and closed below this, and these 3 hours it consolidated, and in this one in the ending time, in the closing time, the market has given a sharp fall actually, and it has closed at 11,183. So we can see it's almost a 300 point move in the market from the open to close. Friday open to Friday close. If we see, it's almost 300 point a movement. So but if we see in the close to close basis, it's only 122 points, which is common in market, in Nifty these days. So now let's see for the coming week. Let's again delete this all. Let's see what we find out for the coming week. Let's go a bit back actually. This was actually the very good support, but as it has broken this, so I will rather say this will be playing an important role in the market. Yes, this one, and I will rather say this one, 1070 also looks very good here. This one very looks very good, and in the upper way, if we go as usual, 11375 will be playing a very important and crucial role. Let's go a little back and see if we find anything else or not. Let's see. The charts are not loading due to some reason, maybe. Okay, maybe due to some reason, technical issue, the charts are not getting loaded. So these are the three things which I found out. Now let's me see the daily chart and try to find out what is there actually. Yes, in daily I can get it. Yes, and this will also be playing a very important resistance zone. This one rather, no, yeah, this one, 11,600. So this is what chart is expecting the market to be in the next week. It should be anywhere in between 11,100 to 11,000, and in the upper side 11,380 to 11,600. So it can range anywhere in between these only in the coming week. Let's see what Y has for us. The option chain I can see in the call side. Let's see first. I can see the highest Y at 11,300, and then at 11,400 and 11,500 almost has the same Y, only a mere 100 points difference in the both the Y. So the chart is also telling in the upper side it will be a limited one, 11,300, and in the lower side let's see where I can see the highest Y is at this 26,640 at 11,000. So this also will be playing a very important support actually. So, and let's see the the Nifty pain and all. The Nifty pain is at 11,200. Just a moment. Yes, Nifty pain is at 11,200. Yes, 11,200. And the put call ratio, let's see what where the put call ratio is 0.74, which is indicating a bearish market right now. So let's see, let's keep an eye on the range. Actually the range will be a very important thing. This range will play a very crucial role in coming week, I'm very sure about it. So I have not made any position for this week yet. Maybe on Monday I will do, seeing the market trend. I will try to make a position for the coming week. I haven't done it yet. So let's see where the market goes in the coming week. There is no such in Monday there is a Supreme Court announcement on the AGR at 3 p.m. So that also might play a good sentiment in the market on Monday. But other than that, there is no such huge news to be coming up in the market. So this week market may move as the global market reacts, because in Indian market there is nothing, no news which is about to come other than on Monday at 3 p.m. So that's it, friends. For me, it is 11,350 to 11,000, the range which I am expecting to be the market to be in this coming week. Any break on either side might give a huge move, and we have to take the position accordingly. Let's see the moving average of 11 day. It's at, okay, it's at 11177, so that is also a crucial support, 11177. Let's see what happens in the market in the coming week. Thanks for listening to it. I'll be posting you with the market update daily. Thanks a lot very much. Bye bye.